Yes, yes. Space Jam, mixtape 2010, nigga. I say, come to Space Jam with me as the bass, as the bass, as the bass. I say, come to Space Jam with me as the bass, as the bass, as the bass, as the bass keep banging. Your trunk should be wanging. Your amp's getting hot cause the system ain't hanging. You got 412s and you think that you banging. You think it's King Kong but it sound like rang-a-tangin'. And when I hit the block it sound like airplanes crashing. Leave the block smoky like an airplane crashed. Got the old folks screaming out, you young bastard. Then I do a donut on them old ass bastards. Now I'm swerving side to side, from lane to lane. Let my doors up, now they look like Wayne. Look at that MB custom, man, I'm doing my thing. Niggas get mad, but I'm doing my thing. I stay fully equipped, I'm clutching when I'm shifting. And when I send shots, leave the whole body stiff. Knock your head out the car like the boys Kid Griff. Turn your motherfucking music up if you niggas feel me. Rest in peace, Roy Boy, keep riding heavy Chevy. Got me throwing C's up as I'm riding in my Chevy. My trunk gon' boom as I glide in my Chevy. Keep this memory going, that's why I'm riding in my Chevy. MBC in that customized Chevy. Big J and Ball, man, they ride in the Chevy. B Wizzy Ben, man, we ride in the Chevy. The whole infamous mob, man, we ride in the Chevy. Let me cruise you on the side when we ride in the Chevy. We do and we die when we ride in the Chevy. Causing up a twist when we ride in the Chevy. It's the heartbeat of America, I ride heavy Chevy. Let's go. Space Jam with me as the bass, as the bass, as the bass. I say come to Space Jam